None of us thought we'd hear this again. Neo-colonialism threatening Africa's freedom. But President Mnangagwa has a grave warning. At the 123rd Ordinary Session of ZANU-PF's Central Committee in Harare, President Emerson Mnangagwa sounded the alarm. He warned that former colonial powers are lurking, aiming to install puppet leaders in the Southern African Development Community, or SADC. The goal? To exploit Africa's rich natural resources. Mnangagwa emphasized that these imperialist forces are a mortal threat to former liberation movements. Movements like South Africa's ANC, Tanzania's Chama cha Mapinduzi, and Mozambique's Frelimo. He argued that unity among these groups is crucial to resist neocolonialism and protect sovereignty. His message is clear. Former liberation movements must adapt and stand together or risk losing their hard-won independence. The stakes are high, and the future of the region's freedom could be in jeopardy. Mnangagwa's call to action resonates across borders, reminding us that the fight for true independence is far from over. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember, unity is our strength.